Ball pressure, right pace here, hold it. Over to 5, 5, 25, 4, 28, 30, 31, 2, 33, 1. Getting that together here. 33 right now. Right into 34. Sitting nice and tall. Carrying speed to the top to right. Nice at the top here. Sitting on the top here. They're starting to inch away here. Sitting up. Take it up to that 36. Into. That's 1. 2. Staying low. Sharpen up out about. 1. Give me 10. 2. 36. 3. Right. 4. 35 and a half. 5. 136 here. 6. Tall. 7 on 8. 8. 9. 10. In the 10 strokes. 3.5 feet there. Continuing to move out. We're at 36 right now. 137. Squeezing up those puddles. 6. Sharp at the top. Sitting on 7. Now they're taking a 10. Let's counter here. On this one, give me 10 of your best strokes with catch timing here. Out of 37. That's 1. Moving on 60. 2. 3. Very good speed here. 4. 5. 6 out of 36. 7. 137. 8. 9. 10. 3 more feet there on 3 feet now. Squeezing into those puddles. Nice and sharp at the top here. Staying direct with them. Moving on 2 now. Moving on 2. Give me Bowski on this one. Right into 36. That's a 139. Let's find that 137 again here. Over these next 5 strokes. Staying sharp at the top. Time on the oar into bound. Roll here. Let's finish it, ladies. That's 145 in on bow seat here. Let's open up a margin here. That's a 140. Show me that 137 again. Go together in 2. That's 1. 2 on this one. Accelerate. Squeeze. 36 right here. In now. On the hips here. Right in 36. 143. Bang at the top. Bang. Nice and sharp. Bang. 144. 35 and a half. Sitting on stage. 1 feet back here, ladies. Go. Getting that together on the hips. Be relentless here. On those hips together. Squeezing on those puddles. Take 2 feet back. In and out together. I'm on 3 feet now. Let's inch back out here, ladies. Squeezing out those puddles. We're at 34 right now. We have to sharpen back up to that 36. And take those 2 feet. 3 feet now. Back into. That's 1. 2 on this one. Up and on it. Give me 10. 1. 2. 3 on 4 feet now. 4. 5. Time on the oar, ladies. 6. 7. 145. 8. 9. 10. They're sitting here. Carrying speed here. Staying sharp. I need 1 more beat of sharpness with the arms and body. Into at a 35 here. That's 1. 2 there. 60, ladies. Take it back here on this one. Squeezing out those puddles. Bang. Locking on. Hanging on to those finishes. I need sharpness here. We're still at that 35. I want to see that 36 every single stroke. Sit up. Sharpen up. Into. That's 1. Sit right. 2 on this one. Sharpen up. Sit up. Bang. Lock. Shot. Shot. They're tossing on me here. Squeezing out those puddles. Still at that 34, ladies. Where's that sharpness? With the arms, with the body here. It's a 148. Let's take a 10 to sit up and sharpen up and give me that 36. Into. That's 1. 2 on this one. Sit up. 1, 34. 2, 34 and a half. 3, 35 and a half. 4, sit up. 5, 34. 6, give me that 36. 7, 34 and a half. 8, sit up. 9, 150. 10, in and out together here. Carrying speed to the top here. Nice and sharp out of bounds. Lock, set. Lock, set. Carrying speed here. Still at a 34 and a half. Carrying speed well at the 34. Continuing to move out here at the 34. Let's sharpen up here at the 34 at the top. Staying long into bow. Long into bow. That's 4.5 minutes in, ladies. Squeezing out those puddles together. 155. Let's accelerate this boat. Carrying speed to the top. Staying direct to the top here. They're continuing to move out here. We took back a couple of feet, and then they took back 2 more. In and out together here. Let's close up that margin that they just opened up with a little flutter here to a 36 from a 34 into. That's 1. 2. Show me that 36 on this one. Bang. Sitting up nice and tall. Still at a 34 here. Sharpen up. Quick arms, sharp body here. Sit up and send it. That's a 152. Our coxswain. Their coxswain on our 60. 35. Shoulders follow. At a 149 here, squeezing out those pedals together. They're sitting here around 5 to 6 feet. Nice and direct to the top of the getting that pen in the water, hanging onto those pedals, squeezing out those finishes. Lower to 33 here. Stay sharp. On the hips, ladies. Be relentless. Taking those feet back. They're inching up on 3 feet now. Let's close up that gap. In and out together. You're hanging onto those pedals. I need sharpness at about. We're at a 34. I want a 36. In 2. Give me that 36. That's 1. Stay relaxed on that slide. 2. Sit up and sharpen up. 1. Give me 10. 2. 152. 3. Accelerating at the 34. 4. Still at a 34 here. 5. Sit up. 6. 7. 6 minutes in. 8. 33. Stay sharp. 9. 10. In and out together here. On the hips. Squeezing out those pedals. When I ask for that 36, I need a 36. I need you to sharpen up. I need you to sit up. Hold that body still. At the top. No stretching and reaching. Putting that finish. Nice and tall at the finish. Squeezing out those pedals. We're at a 33 and a half right here. Keep it light on the drive. Take it right to the top, Lizzie. In and out together on those hips. We're at a 33. In and out together. Nice and sharp here. Squeezing out this finish. 155. On the hips here. Let's find that 34. I need 1 beat of sharpness. On this one. Okay, good speed at the 34. Nice and sharp here. Sitting up 33 and a half. 152 accelerated from that 155 to 149 with half a beat of sharpness there. Squeezing out those pedals. Hanging on here. Inching back in. Inching back in. Bring up tall. There's your 34. Beating with the arm. Stay tall as you posture up here. Posture up. Heads up. Posture up. Sharp. Set. Sharp. Set. In and out together here, ladies. 7 minutes in. Let's finish it. In and out together. Sitting up. Nice and tall. Inching back up here. Moving well. It's just 34 right now. Let's squeeze out those pedals. Let's see if we can't capture a few more inches of run at the top here. At the 34. On this one. Give me 10 of your best strokes. Count them out. In your head. Squeezing out those finishes. Looking at the boat here. Inching up on them. They're tossing around our 4 seat now. Squeeze. More weight up and off that seat. I need a recommitment to this seat in 2. That's 1. 2 on this one. Breathe. Lock. Set. Lock. Set. They took a seat back there. Squeezing out those pedals. Sharpen up here, ladies. We're going to 33. Sit up and send it together. On this one. Bang. Bang. Finish to catch attention every stroke. Quick to the direction at the top here. Maggie, Alyssa, getting those blades very full blade rowing here. Nice and sharp. Squeezing out those finishes. Out of 153, I want sub 150 here for this next minute. On this one, give me sub 150. Stop. 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 54, 52. And now together, that's 150. One more beat of acceleration here. That's 1 more second on that split. 148, that's it, ladies. Give me 10 strokes here at a sub 150. Move out. That's 1, 150. 2, accelerate here. 3, 152, hang. 4, nice and sharp. 5, sit up or low. 6, 7, 33. 7, inching up here. 8, 152. 9, 10, good acceleration there through those last 10 strokes. We've got 3 seats. Finish it. I want to be at that constant in the next 2 minutes here. Squeezing out those pedals. Nice and sharp on those hips. Their coxswain on our 6 seat. Close up that gap. Put that coxswain on our 7 seat. On this one. Nice and sharp here. At the top, we're low at a 33. I need you to sit up and give me a 36. In 2. Just like in a sprint at the end of the race. Sit up and accelerate. That's 1, 2. On this one. I need that 36. That's a 34. In and out on those hips. Sitting up. Nice and tall here. Breathe. Set. Breathe. Set. 152. 34. Staying sharp here, ladies. Took a seat back. 2 seats back. Breathe. Lock. Set. Lock. Set. Squeezing out those pedals together. Nice and sharp here. Keep it light at the top. We'll get light at the top. Hanging on to those pedals. Direct Maggie, Britton, Alyssa. Sharp. Set. Sharp. Set. Keep inching up here, ladies. What's happening right now, they're taking back 3 and 4 seats, and then they're taking it back. Sitting up here, nice and tall, last minute, I want to even up the uploads in this last minute here. I want a 36. We're at a 34 right now. Sit up and send it in 2. That's 1, 2 on it. Sharp arm. Give me that 36. Sharp. Send. Sharp. Send. 35 right here. One more beat. Out of bow. Sitting long on that slide. Control through that top corner. Bang. Nice and tall to release. All your weight up and off that seat. Get a 10 stroke here. That's 1, 2. Sit up. 3. 35. 4. 5. Carry through the top here. 6. 34. 7. 148. 8. Nice stretch at the top. 9. Keep it light. 10. Good handle height there, Maddie. Keep it light, Lizzie. Nice and sharp at the top. No hesitation. Took back 1 seat there. Squeezing out those puddles. Sharp. Send. Sharp. Send. They're boxing around our 4 seat, 3, 4 seat. Squeezing out the 6. Stroke over stroke, ladies.